Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another motorbike for our video. I think we've done a fair few motorbikes now. If you like motorbikes, check out our videos. This one's 42170. It's on Amazon for £61. It's 643 pieces and it was released a couple of months ago this year. So it is new. So it is based on a Kawasaki Ninja. Pretty rapid bikes. Looks pretty cool. Looking at the parts, are coming in paper bags now. I'm guessing that's a new economic way for Lego. Not putting them in plastic bags now. Yeah, looks pretty cool build. Interesting to see how it turns out. And there we have the Kawasaki Ninja. This is a cool build, this was. I enjoyed this one a lot. I think this might be the best motorbike we've done, by far. I know there is I think a Yamaha motorbike with over 1,000 pieces, which I might be tempted to get after building this one. Really enjoyed this one. It's got great suspension on the rear and the front. A lot of detail on the front as well. Many stickers, piece count. I like the window piece, that's pretty cool. But there's so many pieces just on this front part. Couldn't believe it. The rear lights, they were pretty cool as well on the rear lights. Yeah, a lot of fins, bodywork, panels, all around, sets it off nice. The fuel tank as well. That was pretty cool. Already printed, so you don't have to worry about putting stickers on the tank. But yeah, overall, wicked build for the Ninja. Glad I got this one. Definitely my favourite so far. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Catch you on the next one. Thanks.